Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Disk Utility directly and selecting the drive you intend to manage. Once open, make sure you toggle View to show all devices so you see physical disks and volumes. This matters because actions on a container differ from actions on the whole disk. You should verify you have a current backup. If you don't, pause and copy critical files. Once confirmed, choose the target disk or volume to prepare for verification, repair, erase, or partition steps. You'll run First Aid to check and fix file system problems. Select the volume and click First Aid, then Confirm. The tool runs diagnostics and attempts repairs. If it returns issues fixed, rerun to ensure stability. For volumes that won't mount, restart into recovery mode by holding Command-R and use Disk Utility from there to repair the physical disk. Make sure to work from the top-level disk when repairing container-level problems, and keep an eye on status messages. You'll erase or partition only after confirming backups. When erasing, pick the correct format, apps for modern macOS, macOS extended for older systems, and set GUID partition map as the scheme, then click Erase to proceed. For partitions, use the Partition button to add or resize slices and apply changes. Disk Utility will warn about data loss. If an operation fails, reboot into safe mode, retry in recovery, or run Apple Diagnostics to check hardware. If errors persist, contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.